Language is a very Darwinian thing. I mean, you don't see the evolution just like in real life. It just happens over hundreds of years, but you see the evolution when you go back in time. So, someone just go from describing a quality of a noun to being a noun itself. Like, for example, you know how Maggie is not a product but a noun at this point, right? In the same way, like when you think when Chinese food must have been new. When you said Chinese food to someone, what do you think they would have thought? They would have thought of food that Chinese eat. I mean, they would have thought of a person and food, right? A Chinese person and food. But as time evolved and as this food was spread, so much so that it was not really associated with Chinese people per se anymore, it just became a noun. It became a food that Chinese people eat to a type of food, right? This person was removed from the equation and it just became an entire goddamn food, right? It goes for a lot of other words. Like, for example, White House. When I say White House to you, you don't think of house that is white, for example, like this. You think a place where US president lives, right? And same goes for blackboard. You don't think a board that is black, but you think of this. This is not a blackboard. This is not a blackboard. This is a blackboard, right? Because you're not thinking of the quality, the black. You're thinking of blackboard as an entirety of noun, not per se as something showing quality of a board, not something showing food that Chinese eat, right? Not a house that is white. Language evolves and it is beautiful how they do. And similar evolution is seen in double negatives, but about that later.